This is the Queen Mary, and during World War II, it was a troop carrier. Long Beach is the home now of the Queen Mary, and it is being rebuilt, cleaned up. Whether they are going to use it for going back out to sea as a cruise ship, I don't know. But it still would be pretty to go in and see it. Since the Holland America ship took us from Fort Lauderdale back out to San Diego, we decided we would take another cruise, since we're out there, to do the Mexican Riviera. We were unable to find anywhere to get a COVID test done, but we knew that they had it in the terminal, so we decided we'd just have it done there. And this is us waiting for the okay on our COVID test. Most of the terminals I've been to, you do all your climbing from ground level to where you enter the ship outside. This one was an inside one until you got level with the third floor, and then you went outside, walked across the plank, and entered the ship.
We are now boarding the Carnival Panorama in Long Beach, California. And over in this direction is Long Beach.
This is the ship's way of getting suitcases and food and any other necessities onto the ship. It is not used by passengers unless, of course, there is an emergency.
So our first meal on board, we stopped by the Blue Iguana. We've been waiting for this, and we normally get a salad bowl. Always good.
Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and please give a thumbs up.